Hello, my friend. Welcome to this slow English listening practice. My name is Joe. I'm very happy you are here with me today. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly. You do not need to rush. You do not need to understand every word. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the English. This episode is made especially for beginner and elementary learners. That means A1 and A2 level. If English feels difficult for you, that is okay. You are learning, you are improving, and you are doing a great job. Now take a deep breath. Let's begin. Today, I want to talk about normal day in life, a simple day, an everyday day. We will talk about morning, afternoon, evening, and night. These are words we use every day in English. I will use easy words. I will use short sentences. You can listen again and again. Let's start with the morning. In the morning, I wake up. I open my eyes. I look at the clock. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I get out of bed slowly. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I feel a little tired, but that is okay. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with water. The water is cold. Cold water helps me wake up. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I say, "Good morning, Joe." This is a small habit, but it makes me feel good. After that, I take a shower. The water is warm. It feels nice. I think about my day. I think about my plans. After the shower, I get dressed. I put on clean clothes. I choose a shirt. I choose pants. I'm ready for the day. Now, let's talk about breakfast. Breakfast is my first meal of the day. Some people eat a lot. Some people eat a little. I like a simple breakfast. I make a cup of tea. The tea is hot. I wait a little before drinking it. I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. Sometimes I eat bananas or apples. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I do not hurry. While I eat, I think about good things. I think about learning. I think about improving my English. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash my cup. I wash my plate. A clean space helps me feel calm. Now it is time to start work. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. The screen lights up. I check my tasks for the day. I look at my notes. I work for some time. I focus. I try my best. Sometimes work is easy. Sometimes work is hard. But I keep going. When I feel tired, I take a short break. I stand up. I stretch my body. I drink some water. Water is important. Now let's talk about the afternoon. In the afternoon, I eat lunch. Lunch is my second meal of the day. I like simple food, rice, vegetables, chicken, or fish. I sit down and eat quietly. After lunch, I feel a little sleepy. This is normal. I take a short rest. Not too long, just a few minutes. Then I continue my work. In the afternoon, I answer messages, I write notes, I read. Sometimes I learn new things. Learning is important. Now let's talk about learning English. Learning English takes time. It takes patience. It takes practice. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Listening is very important. When you listen, your brain learns. Even if you do not understand everything, your brain is working. That is why this podcast is slow. That is why this podcast is clear. You can listen while resting. You can listen while walking. You can listen before sleeping. Every minute helps. Now let's move to the evening. In the evening, the day feels calm. The sun goes down. The sky changes color. I finish my work. I close my computer. I feel relaxed. I eat dinner in the evening. Dinner is my last big meal. I eat with my family or alone. Both are okay. We talk about the day. We talk about small things. After dinner, I like to relax. I watch a little TV. I listen to music. Sometimes I read a book. I do not work too much in the evening. The evening is for rest. Now let's talk about feelings. Sometimes I feel happy. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel worried. All feelings are normal. When I feel stressed, I breathe slowly. I tell myself, it's okay. Learning English can feel hard, but you are not alone. Many people are learning just like you. You are brave. You are patient. You are improving. Now it is night. At night, I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I put on comfortable clothes. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. Before sleeping, I think about good things. I think about what I learned today. I say, thank you for today. Then I close my eyes. I sleep. Now, let's do a short listening reflection. Listen to these sentences carefully. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast. I work during the day. I rest in the evening. I sleep at night. Simple sentences, simple English. You can repeat them after me or just listen. Both are good. Before we finish, I want to tell you something important. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to compare yourself to others. Your English journey is your journey. Small steps are powerful. Listening every day is powerful. Even 10 minutes is good. Even 5 minutes is good. You are doing something good for yourself. Thank you for listening to this slow English practice. My name is Joe. I am proud of you. If you like this episode, you can listen again, you can pause, you can repeat. I will see you again in the next episode. Until then, take care, keep listening, and keep learning English. Goodbye, my friend, and have a peaceful day.